Okay, we're back. Surprise!
Surprise!
Nikki's here for a visit that we didn't expect just yet, so we have a cube earlier than we thought.
Yeah.
Okay, 3 cubes to go.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
The first one because it's the first, the last because it's the last, or this one because it's the only one in the middle. What are you thinking? Any day.
Last one.
What?
Last one.
Last one. Okay, here we go. Let's see. Oh, boy. I really want the rust or the orange trap jaw. I feel like those are a couple of favorites of mine. Orko.
It's like a Rubik's Cube.
Yep. I love this part. Ta-da! Oh, yes! It's never a bad day when it's an Orko day.
What do Orkos do?
That's a good question. Ooh, number 339. Okay. So,
Yay.
back to the backpack. So we have the one Orko that's open. And then we have these 2 uncommon Orkos. Oh, and another common Orko.
4.
So, yep. So we have 4 Orkos. Cool. All right, 2 cubes to go. I guess we'll see what's in them next week when you come back over.
Yay.
Okay, sounds good. All right, see everybody later.